Foxconn now makes more money from AI than iPhones. Once tied to iPhone assembly, Foxconn is transforming its business amid the AI era. This major shift reveals AI server and cloud infrastructure sales, surpassing consumer electronics, redefining its revenue landscape. From iPhones to AI, Foxconn's business shift. For years, Taiwan's Foxconn built its empire on assembling millions of Apple's iPhones, becoming the backbone of global consumer electronics. Now, the AI boom has shifted this focus. Consumer electronics comprise just 35% of revenue, with cloud and networking climbing to 41%, contrasting sharply with 2021 figures. Betting big on AI before it was cool? Foxconn's pivot didn't happen overnight. Concerned about slowing iPhone sales and overdependence on Apple, Chairman Young Liu steered the company into AI servers, electric vehicles, and semiconductors since 2019. While electric vehicles and chips haven't boosted revenue significantly, early pre-ChatGPT commitments made Foxconn NVIDIA's largest server manufacturer. Decades of partnership and strategic vision. Foxconn's ties with NVIDIA and other AI leaders highlight strategic long-term bets, progressing from NVIDIA graphics card designs in 2002 to data center servers by 2009. By dominating 40% of the server market, Foxconn has managed to secure its leadership position. Ming-Chi Kuo, an analyst at TF International, when remarking on Foxconn, said, "The company has been in the business for years, meeting higher quality requirements, diversifying assembly and operations across sites, and pursuing vertical integration." What lies ahead for Foxconn? Industry analysts highlight Foxconn's expansion, including new factories in Houston under NVIDIA's $500 billion U.S. initiative, plus facilities in Mexico for AI server production. The company expects its AI server revenue to rise over 170% year-on-year in the third quarter,